Hi guys. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss how to place the logo into box in Photoshop. Here, I already opened the required files. Logo is separate PNG file. First, go to Logo PNG file, select all, copy. Then, go to Box Image File, Filter menu, select Vanishing Point. Use Create Plane option for creating points at two sides of the box. Then, paste the logo and transform as per your requirement. And drag the logo into the front side of the box. Do the same for other side also and transform. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.